Hi, this is Tom from Signal Hound. Today we're going to demonstrate activating a license in Spike for a new software feature that's licensed. The equipment that I have with me today is the PN400 phase noise test system. It consists of two SM435Bs and a PN400 VCO tester. Let's get started and take a look at what we need for license activation. So starting with Spike Open, what I need to activate a license is I need a valid license. I need the latest version of Spike, which you can get from our website. You'll need an internet connection and you'll need a serial number of a device that you want to attach the license to. What I've done is I've set it up so that I have two devices connected to point out that I want to select the device serial number that I want to attach the license to. And that's just a time saver because it will auto-populate the license, this serial number in the license application. So I'll connect and we'll connect to that device, and then I'll go under Utilities to License Manager and then select Add License. Now we'll have sent you an email, Signal Hound will have sent you an email that has the license in it, and I can just copy that license from that email and add it to the license key using Control-C, Control-V, and then select OK. Notice that it auto-populated the serial number, just a time saver if I have the device that I want to attach the license to. And then all I have to do is click OK, and it'll activate the license. If there are any problems, you'll see a problem note here, but you can see that I have phase noise and VCO testing attached to serial number 1039. Awesome, that's great. So then we can look and see if we can bring up the phase noise test mode in Spike, and we'll go to phase noise test mode, and phase noise test mode launches as expected. So that's attaching a license and activating a license in Spike. If you have any questions, contact support@signalhound.com.